Settings. Your Agnihotra companion app. Agnihotra Buddy comes up with some really useful functionality that'll help you perform Agnihotra. Let's click on the three dots here to go to the settings. Home location. In Agnihotra Buddy, you can add up to 3 locations. This helps people who often travel to keep timings handy. You can set home location using this button here. When you set any location as home, every time the app will open, it will show timings of that particular location. You can change the home location as you travel to some other place. Screen always on. If you turn this setting on, your screen will stay alive and not go to sleep when the app is open. This allows you the timings to be visible and prevents the phone from going to sleep or standby. Countdown timer. Usually the main screen shows the current time of your time zone at the center. However, if you turn this setting on, Agnihotra Buddy will instead start showing the countdown to your next Agnihotra. This helps us know the time left before we need to perform next Agnihotra. 24 hours clock. If you prefer 24 hours time format, just turn this on and all your timings, including the central clock and sunrise and sunset timings, will follow the 24 hours format. When this is turned off, app follows the 12 hours format and shows AM and PM to distinguish. Meditation bell. If you turn this option on, there will a small meditation bell right at the time of Agnihotra. This helps you to perform Agnihotra without having to look at the screen. Alarm. You can set up an alarm to have Agnihotra Buddy remind you about your next Agnihotra. You can tell the app how many minutes before you'd like to be reminded. There is an additional setting here which says ring bell. If this is turned on, there will 3 loud bell signs at the alarm time you've set. If this option is turned off, Agnihotra Buddy will only show a notification on your home screen at the alarm time. Apart from settings, you can use various other options to connect with us, know more about Agnihotra centers, and share this app with your friends using various options here.